Recording in progress. Good day, everyone. Today we'll be studying the topic of profits and gains from business or profession. Before jumping into the actual chapter, I'd want you to know about certain topics here and there. The first thing is there are two different kind of acts. One is Companies Act and one is Income Tax Act. As per Companies Act, you'll be preparing your financial statement and presenting the same thing to all the stakeholders. But income tax, whatever you are supposed to pay, will be calculated as per Income Tax Act. Why there is a differentiation between Companies Act and income taxes? Because as per Companies Act, there are a lot of expenditures, like say if you're creating a provision for bad debts, if you're creating some reserves, if you're creating staff welfare fund and similar funds like this, all of these funds will still be allowed as an expenditure as per Companies Act. That is, you can take all these amounts in the debit side of your profit and loss account and you can claim it as an expenditure. But when it comes to Income Tax Act already has a list of expenditures which can be told as admissible expenditure. Here, the major criteria to call something as a business expenditure is it should be revenue in nature. It should be used for the sake of business. If these two conditions are not satisfied, then that will not be called as a business expenditure. Say, if I have to give you an example, provision for bad debts will be considered as an inadmissible expenditure because actual expenditure is not done yet. But actual bad debts, whatever you have incurred, will be called as an expenditure as per Income Tax Act. With that note, first we are diving into a concept where you'd be trying to find out what is the income from a professional. Here, what you'd be saying is, if you can see on the screen, there are list of items which will be called as business income. From that, all the professional expenses will be reduced. You can see the line items here. In my business income, I have uh, items like operational fees, consultation fees, visiting fees, sale of medicine, etc. And in my professional expenditure, I have items like medicines, depreciation on equipment, depreciation on books, etc. So all of these items I'm going to take. The remaining amount will be called as income from profession. Here, the first thing which I have seen here is that it's doctor or medical professional. The second thing which we'll be seeing is in case of chartered accounting, here institution fees, examination fees, gifts from clients. These are the kind of income you would be seeing for a chartered accountant. In my professional expenditures, here also I'd be seeing what kind of expenditures can come in case of a chartered accountant. Then the third scenario which you can see here is the advocate. For advocate, the legal fees, special commission, examiners fees, all these can be arbitration fees as well can be taken as income for a business professional, that is advocate. And for my expenditures, I'd be taking office expenses and similar kind of expenditure, whichever you'd be seeing in this list. First of all, why do I take this as a methodology? Because generally, all whatever I am talking right now would be majorly applicable for Bangalore University student, BCU, BNU, all these kind of students. And this is for BCom as well as BBA. Here, the kind of questions which you would be tested on will be a case where they'd be given receipts and payments account. With that receipts and payments account, you'll be considering all the business receipts out of that receipts and payments account and all the business payments. You'd be reducing business payments out of business receipts. There you'd be getting business profit. That amount will be considered as income from profession in this case. So if you're aware of this, in the next video, I'll be putting up a case where I'll be explaining things, what will happen with income from business. Thank you.